Hello, I'm at Sanur Beach. I'm leaving the beach and I'm going to walk inland and walk back up the main street to check out the shops. I have just walked 2 hours down Sindhu Beach from the north, walked down to the south. So check out my last video if you want to see that walk. Now I'm walking away from the beach, walking inland.
What is it like in Sanur?
Let's see what we can find.
This is Kusumasari Road. There is a temple here on my right. Pura Dalam Semawang. I can't go in there. I do love to look at Balinese temples, even if it's just over the wall and through the gate. Next, on my right is the Intercontinental Hotel. I just had a drink and a snack at Pier 8 on the beachfront. It's the restaurant of the Intercontinental. It was so lovely. There's a lot of bikes parked along here.
There's a bus going backwards around the roundabout here.
The bus has tried to go the wrong way round. It now has to back up. Crazy stuff.
Everything's happening. Now it's coming forwards. I think I'm going this way.
I'm turning into Danayu Tembalingan Road.
Okay, this is the sunny side of the street. I think I need to walk in the shade.
It's really hot actually.
Across the road. Ice creams. Always popular everywhere in the world, no matter what the weather. There's always people buying ice cream.
Hi, I'm Linda. Here is a travel guide so you know what to expect and plan your travels for a better experience. To travel better with more confidence.
Oh, here's a piece of Santorini if you like in Bali. Wow, check that out. There's a sports bar where you can watch Australian football with an Australian flag. I come to Bali to eat Balinese food, and I do not come for Greek food, and I do not come for Australian bars. You would not want to be hanging out in Australian bars watching Australian football. You're here on holidays in Bali. Yeah, I come here to escape Australia, to get a break from Australia. I come to Bali to enjoy Bali for Indonesia and what it is. The mart is a place to get all your drinks and goodies. Oh, more Greek. Lots of shopping, tourist information, get massage. Okay, there's a break in the shops here, and that's the Hyatt Regency across the road there. So I think the Hyatt Regency is quite big. I just walked on the other side of that on the beach. There it was huge.
There's big parklands on my left here. Not much to see along here. Just walking, lots of traffic. There are many free roaming dogs in Bali. I do hope they understand this sign.
Okay, don't let your puppy dog in there. Okay, I'm coming back into the shops again. Just walked past two massive resorts.
There's no sun. It's gone again. It's very cloudy. It's very windy down on the beach, but it's still nice and warm.
Mexican food, all sorts of food available here. And there's the mayor. Another big resort. Wow, check it out from this side. Wow. Wow, check that place out. How impressive. Lots and lots and lots of restaurants. Shops and bars and restaurants and hotels and shops and restaurants and more restaurants. So the Guardian is the pharmacy here in Bali. Circle K and Mart is your 7-Eleven convenience store. More progress. That's the street down to Karang Beach, where I was earlier. Check out my last video when I walked right along the beach, along the waterfront, and I was down there at Karang Beach. And we have Coco Mart as a supermarket and convenience store too. Quicksilver, something familiar. Lots of convenience stores, supermarkets.
I'm almost up at Icon Bali.
And here we have Icon Bali, this brand new major big department store. Well, it's 12 months old now.
I will make another video showing you Icon Bali. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, and bookmark my channel. I'm going to keep walking back to Sindhu Beach. Petrol station for motorbikes on the street there. There's lots of street shopping to do here, lots of local shops. It's very quiet along here at the moment. I do worry that Icon Bali has taken all the shoppers away from the local shops and into that big mall. There's still a place for local shops and local goods, I think. You don't need those Western global brands in Bali. I like to be outside too. I do not want to be in air conditioning and glass and Western style department malls. I came to Bali to warm up. I came to Bali for the culture and the local goods. And I want to be hot, very hot. I've turned into Danny Utoba Road. I'm turning down Sindhu Beach Road now. Couple of minutes down here, straight down to Sindhu Beach. You can get a massage there. There's a few restaurants and shops along here. A few warongs. That is Shotgun Social. It's a huge bar and restaurant. It always seems to be busy in there, particularly late in the afternoon and evening. There's the Aquarius Beach Hotel. Let's keep walking to Sindhu Beach. Back at Sindhu Beach, and the tide is really low now. This morning the tide was really high. The local kids are out flying kites. There is local street food on the beach here. Tiny little stalls. The food cooked right in front of you on the beach. How good's that? A lot of locals eat here with the locals. It's not just for tourists. I like that. There's a mix. The local kids are playing ball, soccer. The local kids are swimming with their families. I love that this beach is used by the locals.
Hit that like button if you like this. Support my channel, please. That helps me know that you like it and it helps other people find my video. Hit that subscribe button. It's a bookmark so you can find me again and helps my channel grow. Thank you for your support. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy and safe travellings out there, and enjoy the journey, every moment of it, not just getting to the destination. Enjoy the journey along the way.